she's been barking all the morning. But she's still got something left. I've never really tested how long she would just go and bark and bark and bark. But I imagine if she was fresh, it would be quite a while. And she'd be barking even faster. That's a minute 40, and you can see that I can go 2 or 3 minutes, 4 minutes. It really doesn't matter as long as I just have this out here and I taunt her with it a little bit. She will bark and bark and bark. I'm trying to set it up there so it's been 2 minutes straight. I have no idea how many barks. I think I can break any record. That's the routine. That's how I exercise my dog.